Hello tennis fans and welcome to your tennis coach. I'm Yannis and today I'm gonna show you 5 key points for the perfect forehand if you're just getting started. Come with me. Number 1. Begin with a comfortable grip. Try the semi-western grip for a mix of control and power. Number 2. Stand with your feet shoulders width apart, your knees slightly bent and your racket in front. Number 3. Hey, if you don't want to miss the next video, hit the subscribe button below. Number 3. Aim to hit the ball at waist high and in front of your body. This helps control and consistency. Number 4. Keep it simple. Start with a small backswing and focus on making a clear contact with the ball. Number 5. After hitting, follow through by extending your arm towards your target. This helps your shot and builds good habits. Thanks for watching. See you next time.